Hey guys, Umitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous session, I have talked about so many things. I have tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have. Okay, so in my today's session, I'm going to talk about what is called background check. Okay, there are many different types of background checks employees can perform on any candidate. However, there is more than one kind of background check and employer can request. Background checks help employers confirm a prospective employee has a clean record and can be relied upon as honest and truthful and would be great addition to their company. So within any hiring process we have all had some kind of background check performed. There are so many different kinds of background checks. Oftentimes hiring managers don't know what will be included in the report, and job candidates don't even know for sure what information an employer can actually check. There are several different types of background checks used for different situations to help you have a better understanding of each check. Okay, we have tried to give you that based knowledge, a list of 11 of the most common types of background checks and what each one consists of, including the first one is criminal history check, the second one is prior employment, the third one is the verification, education verification, reference check, drug screening, sexual offender registry check, credit background check, social media and internet check, driving record, professional license and certificate confirmation, social security number trace. Okay, the first one is criminal history check. When you hear background check, you typically think of a criminal history check. A criminal history check is required in a situation where a person or organization need to know about any prior criminal activity of the applicant. More often than not, criminal background checks are performed to validate whether a candidate could pose a threat to customers or create an unsafe work environment. Typically, a criminal history check includes the following record searches. The first one is National Criminal Database, country criminal courts, federal and state criminal records, sex offender registries, domestic and global terrorist watch lists. Something to keep in mind is that different states use different verifications of criminal background checks. For example, a name-based check, an employee history check, or a national fingerprint-based check. It's important to know what your state laws permit employers to run. So, prior employment verification. One of the most important background check employers should perform in confirming a candidate's prior work experience. And employment verification checks allows employers and hiring managers to look back to the candidate's past work history, revealing insights into their job stability, integrity and loyalty to an employer. It can also generate questions about gaps in employment history and reasons for short stints of companies. Okay, typically a prior employment verification can confirm job start and end dates, title held, salary, job duties or description, reason for termination or leaving the company. It's important to verify that what a candidate says in is their employment history, is their actual employment history. This type of background check can properly vet any candidate before making a job offer. Educational qualification. Attendant is not the same as graduated, but the only way hiring managers can actually or accurately determine the candidate's education on a resume is through an education verification check. Academic verification is primarily used to confirm or deny an applicant's level of education claimed on an application and where that education came from. The Fair Labor Standard Act, FLCA, makes it clear that some positions classified as exempt require employees to have advanced or specialized education. Should the FLSA challenge the exemption, the employer must be able to prove the worker has appropriate credentials. An education verification check can validate this for employers. Reference check. An important common practice for employers is to ask for references from their applicants. These reference checks can be used to get a feel for what a potential employee would be like in the office. Okay, it is also provides hiring managers a chance to ask about past performance and fact checking anything that the applicant may have to told them during the interview or on the application itself. It's important employers use open minded questioning into in a reference check, and the interview be as conversational as possible. Okay, this will ensure the answers you get are more than yes, no, and that you pull as much detail as possible from the reference. Drug screening. Certain industries like driving or aviation require periodic drug and alcohol testing. These types of tests are used to determine whether or not alcohol or illegal drugs are present in their person's systems. These types of tests ensure your current or future employees are in a healthy state of mind, so unimpaired, and can be trusted to perform at your company. These types of checks usually require some amount of prior notice, can only be performed with the permission. Oftentimes, these drug screens are processed as 5-panel or 10-panel urine analysis, okay, hair testing, and breathalyzer. So, sexual offender registry check. Companies should be encouraged to perform a sex offender registry search with any potential employees, such as background check will rule out potentially hiring someone with a past history of sexual offenses, and important background check to run for those hiring positions that deal with minor schools, educations, or daycares. Performing this check on applicants helps reduce a company's risk of workplace sex offenses or violence. If not done, this can potentially lead to acquisitions and negligent hiring or retention lawsuits. Credit background check. A credit background check looks into a prospective candidate's credit history. A person's credit history is a report from 3 of the largest credit agencies: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. These reports can be produced once a year for free by law. However, some states and even cities like New York City and Chicago have made it illegal to base hiring decision on credit scores. The catch with these types of checks is that they can only be performed with the express permission of the subject of the test. Employees can use a credit background check to prove whether or not a potential employee is financially responsible, especially when the position they are interviewing for deals closely with money or finances. Okay, so social media and internet check. Employers should consider viewing public social media accounts and posts of potential employees to learn more about them. There are numerous pitfalls, however, to be aware of before relying on any information collected through internet social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. While it's possible to obtain useful but unverified information about a candidate for employment, care still has to be used to ensure that the information is true. The information may help round out a candidate's profile, but the usual background and reference checking will undoubtedly still be necessary. A comprehensive media search may save your company time and money in the long run by helping you make a solid hire. Driving record. Can your job applicant drive 55? So long as you have their permission, employers can run a driving record check to prove any applicant or current employee has a safe driving history. Results from a driving record check include traffic accidents, driving record points, current driver's license status, DUIs in public record, other traffic laws violations, convictions, and fines. To carry out a check, you will need each candidate's full name as it appears on his her driver's license, date of birth, social security number, address, driver's license number, state of issue, and of course each candidate's express permission to carry out the check in the form of a signed release that complies with the requirements of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Professional license and certificate confirmation. One of the top falsehoods a person may put on their resume is fraudulent professional credentials. It's a common occurrence for people to embellish accomplishments on resumes, on job applications, and can be a challenge for hiring managers to prove whether or not the license or the certificate was in fact earned. Okay, this can lead hiring unqualified individuals or giving promotions to those that haven't truly earned it. Confirming professional license and certificates can be used in all industries for all position titles. To verify if a degree or a credential was received, to confirm the date awarded, and to identify and fictitious information included by the applicants. Social security number trace. If the applicant who they actually say they are seems like a strange question to ask, but sometimes applicant may lie about their identity to gain employment. A simple phrase of help employers verify that the personal information provided by the applicant is truthful. These types of checks can also verify if someone is eligible to work in the company or not. Okay, by matching the information provided in the all those things. Okay, the Department of Social Security Administration's record, employee can ensure the employee real people, they are legal to work in the company. So these are the things, guys. If you wanted to work in a company, these kind of things, verification checks are maybe happen with you. So always be aware about that. You always need to keep your background very clear and clean, because when the verification check happens, they ask for each and every document. Okay, and all those documents are required. Whatever documents I have told you, all those documents are required to be a candidate to join a company. Okay, to be a part of a company. So always try to make your verification test proper, and try to keep your background always clean. Okay, so this is for now, guys. This bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. Our pre-internship training sessions are going on. Our paid internship training sessions are going on in Salesforce in Java, DevOps in Java full stack development, and another technologies also. Our CELP project is also going on. It's in our on-job internship program. If you wanted to join all those programs, you can communicate with me. My number is going on in the description box. Okay, you can call me in that number. You can get the proper information about all those things. And right now we are located in Bangalore also. If you wanted, if you're a Bangalore people, if you want to go and join our Bangalore office, you can visit our office. Our office is located in Marathali. Now another office is located in BTS layout. These are the physical office. Our three more contact centers are going to open in Bangalore. So it's if you are the candidate who wanted to start your career, or if you're the candidate who has the career gap, after having that career gap you are looking for better opportunities, we are here to help you. And PCS are right now, PCS is in Bangalore. In future PCS will be in all over in the India, all over in the world. Okay, so whenever you need any kind of help, you can call me. I am here to help you. My name is Deomitra Banerjee, the brand ambassador of Pennational Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Whatever information you need, I am just one call away from you. Just call me and get the proper knowledge about the courses, and whatever the schedule, what are the timing you need to join the courses, I will help you to get the proper information. Okay, so bye for now. Have a very good day. Stay safe, be happy, and make others happy too.